Listen on the wind, we feel it within. A song that begins, that we take on the run. All the places we could go to, all the wonders we could see, all the miles we could travel, all the heights that we could reach. No matter where the journey takes us, this one thing is clear, that nothing could compare to what we found right here. A sound, pretense falls down. It's just you and me tonight. As the world keeps on turning, it's making us certain that somehow we'll